This video demonstrates how to fill in the cover sheet of your OET question and answer booklet. Review the pre-printed details on the cover sheet. Check the profession is correct. Ensure the information corresponds with your desk label. If you spot any errors, alert the test venue staff before proceeding. You must write your name as it appears on your desk label. Using a 2B pencil, write your candidate name in capitals. Write in your date of birth. Refer to your desk label again to confirm your candidate number. Write in your candidate number, ensuring that you write from left to right and enter one number per box. Fill in the corresponding circles below each number using your pencil. Finally, read the candidate declaration, and when you are ready, sign in the candidate signature field. Once you have finished, await the next instruction from the test venue staff.